Okay, this is day 2 of my B12 shot update. I had a shot about 4 o'clock yesterday. Now it's 1 p.m., so not quite 24 hours, but you know, I'll say I had it done yesterday. And you know, I don't see any major like a huge difference, but I do see some differences. So my mood seems really good. I seem to have energy levels that are I mean, across the board I have zero complaints, whereas I think that most days I feel tired or a little foggy, or maybe my mood's not that great. But today, you know, it's almost like this should be the baseline. You know, I should feel like this all the time because everything is just hunky-dory. I've got so I just did another video a second ago. I have some other things going on. I'm kind of new to all this social media and talking, but typically I can't really have a monologue. You know, my brain fog, or I'm at a loss for words sometimes. So just some background information: I had a stroke in 2018, and it was a bad one where I had a blockage in my middle cerebral artery for about 4.5 hours, which blocked blood flow to my right frontal lobe. And you know, I had the whole thing: droopy face, weakness on my left side. I couldn't really walk or make a fist, or I couldn't even talk. It was bad. Now, luckily, I had recovered from that pretty well. I have full strength on both sides. You know, I have when I smile and whatever else, it's symmetrical, and for the most part, I can hold a conversation and make some regular decisions and all that stuff. So, but one thing I did notice is, for the last few months, I've had a hard time searching for words, or even carrying on a monologue, or a coherent thought didn't come easy, you know. And I'm finding today that I'm very lucid. I have it seems like I don't really have any brain fog, energy's up, the whole thing. So I'm going to give it a thumbs up. You know, $12 for a B12 shot in the arm. That was the introductory offer, and I think the regular price is reasonable. I think it's like $20, maybe. They have two options. They have a regular B12, and then they have a B12 with like this fat booster thing, allows you to burn fat better. You know, I don't know if that does anything different as far as energy, exactly how that works. I might look it up. But the regular B12 shot was great. I'll probably do it again. They said that you shouldn't get it more than every 2 weeks. So, you know, $20, that's $80 a month if you do it every, you know, 4 times a month. Now, I don't know for sure if it was $20 for the regular price, but I think that's about what it was. So, all right, I might do another video in a couple of days and see if these effects are sustained for a few days. I didn't know what to expect, but day 2, I'll give it a thumbs up. And all right, hopefully I've helped somebody. And if anyone out there is looking to get a B12 shot, I'm gonna say go ahead and do it. It's you know, I'm sure there's people that need it a heck of a lot more than I do. I thought I was in good shape and getting along pretty well, but I feel just a notch better. So If you want to make an incremental improvement in your everyday life, give it a try. See, see what happens. All right, signing out.